touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on these Pom Pom ponytails, and I really like this style. It's quick, it's easy, and you have long flowy hair. So stay tuned for this tutorial and let's just get into it. So to begin, you're gonna need a brush and a comb, and this comb is to detangle and this one is to part. So you can either use this one to part as well or get a rat tail comb as well. You're also gonna need quite a few rubber bands, and this is just some of the ones that I have. Some gel to smoothen your hair. This is coconut eco styler. I just had some put inside of the black castor oil and flaxseed oil container, but this is coconut oil. And of course you're gonna need some extensions or hair or whatever you want to call it. So I'm about to take this out and then I will come back to you guys. Okay, so now that ponytail is out, I'm about to part my hair as straight as I possibly can. Get it down the middle of my head. And then I'm just going to tie up the section I'm not using. Now I'm going to detangle this right side that I'll be starting with. And my hair is already moisturized and greased, so I don't have to do it. But if you guys know that your hair needs moisturizing, or moisturizing, you guys can add in a moisturizer of your choice. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but my hair is pretty moisturized. And then I'm gonna add the gel. And I want this to be sleek, so I'm going to put in quite a bit of it. I'm just going to put in the ruffle to get a good idea of how low I want it to be positioned. So about there is good. And I'm just going to keep brushing. So I'm going to tie the ruffle that I'm going to put in my hair onto the extensions. I'm just going to take the ruffle and loop it. Like so. And this part is what's going to go around my hair. Okay, so there you go. Now time to blend it as best as I can. I'm bringing it in front so you guys can see. I'm going to take a rubber band and put over here. Let me see how far I want it. So we're going to put one here and then one here. And try to make them as even as possible. So about right here. Yeah. So that's the first one. And I'm just gonna add in rubber bands throughout this entire ponytail. And this is the end of the first braid. I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to do a speed up version of that and then come back and show you guys the completed result. Okay, so this is the finished result. I'm just going to use some bigger hair ties to tie around the ruffle right here to kind of blend it even more. And to also kind of tighten it. And that's it there, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. And now that I have covered the attached area, I'm just gonna put in a bit more gel and then I'm gonna tie my hair with a scarf. And for these parts right here where my hair isn't long enough, I really just smooth in some gel on there to blend it, and it's still gonna fly out, but it isn't really that big of a deal for me. Like, everybody knows extensions, I know extensions, it's really not that big of a deal. So just a bit more gel, and I know I used a lot of gel in this video, but you gotta do to get that sleek look, right? And I'm gonna tie down my hair, go get ready, and show you guys the finished result after. Okay guys, so I'm about to show you guys my hair after. I had to put on this stocking so that my hair wouldn't get wet while I was in the bath. So yeah, that's why that was on my head. And this is the final result, and these are my ponytails, and I finished this video. I got the ends a bit blunt because I wanted it to look that way. You guys don't have that if you don't want to, but yeah, that's what I prefer. They're a little messy along here and stuff, but I really don't mind. And yeah, these are my two I think they're called Bandit. I can't remember what they're called. Pom Pom. Yeah, my two Pom Pom ponytails. And I'm really going to enjoy these today. I'm probably going to swing them all around. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys try this hairstyle, you can tag me in an Instagram post, or you can add me on Snapchat and send me it. But I would really like to see if you guys do try this hairstyle, because I think it's really cute. And yeah, that's it. Bye.